Monty is going to share his show and tell from Friday because his volume wasn't working and we didn't get to hear. So every Friday, if you weren't here on Friday, every Friday we're going to do a show and tell. 4 students are going to get to show something to the class and tell us a little bit about it. All right, Amonte, go ahead and show everybody what you have. Make sure you speak loud enough so everybody can hear you.
A sports car. And it's red, black, and red, gas tank right there, and the doors, windows. I don't have no windows.
Awesome job, Amonte. Thank you for sharing. That's a really cool car. Let's give him a silent cheer for sharing. Thank you. All right, so we're going to get started with our day since it's already not Monday. So we all had no school yesterday, even though it was Monday. So I'm going to go ahead and put that up here for yesterday. Let me turn our camera just a little bit so we can see our calendar. All right, so if yesterday was Monday, what is today? Who can tell me? Raise your hand if you want to tell me what today is. Awesome. Clara, I'm going to unmute you. Go ahead and tell the class.
Today is Tuesday.
Today is Tuesday. Awesome. So if today is Tuesday, who can raise their hand and tell me what will tomorrow be? Allison, I'll unmute you. Go ahead and share.
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Awesome. So tomorrow will be Wednesday. So let's look close at the days. We said on the weekend we had the 5th and the 6th. And since we didn't have school yesterday on Monday, what comes after 6? Who can share what number? Awesome, Taylor. Thank you for joining. What day came after 6?
7.
The 7th. Awesome. So we're going to put that right there. Yesterday was Labor Day, so we didn't have school because it was a holiday. Now, if yesterday was the 7th, what is today's date? September what? Who can tell me what today's date is? What number? Give everybody a little think time. Amonte? Go ahead, I unmuted you.
8.
8. Today is September 8th. And we're going to put that right here, Tuesday, September 8th. Awesome job. All right, so we're going to now look at our whiteboard and do some of our math with that number. So today is the 8th. So we're going to use that number 8. What is one way we could show 8? On our tens frame. Who can give me an example of how to show 8? What 2 numbers make 8? Jason and Dylan, are you guys thinking? All right, let's see. Clara, go ahead and share.
1 and 7.
1 and 7. All right, let's use 1 blue. And let's count on, let's see, get all my green. Let's count on until we get to 8. So you can all count with me. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
5,
6, 7, 8. So we used 1 blue plus 7 green, which equals our 8. Awesome. Now we're going to use our number bond. So let's look. I'm going to draw mine real quick. I wanted to make sure that my screen you guys could see. Okay.
Well,
We're going to put our whole number over here.
I'm going to put 8.
All right. I'm going to get somebody else to answer for us. What other 2 numbers can equal our whole number 8? What 2 numbers can we add together to make 8? All right. Taylor, go ahead and share with the class.
4 and 4.
4 and 4. Awesome. Let's all show our fingers with 4 and 4 more. Let's count on. So we know we have 4, and let's count on 5, 6, 7, 8. That's right. 4 and 4 equals 8. Awesome. All right. So that's our math for this morning. And we're going to talk about Seesaw. All right. So you guys are going to do a phonics activity. So you're going to go work on your lesson. In your reading course, you have phonics and reading today. Reading comprehension. You guys read a great story called Sheila Ray the Brave. Okay, so after you do your phonics, you can go to Seesaw. So I'm going to share my screen with you and show you. Actually, first, why don't you raise your hand and tell me if you, give me a thumbs up if you used Seesaw before, or a thumbs down if you've never used it. Amonte, you used it because you already submitted an assignment. Awesome. So most everybody already has used it maybe last year in kindergarten. So we're going to use it this year because it's really fun to be able to draw on them and to move some things around. Let's see. I will put the Seesaw link in the reading course. So once you're done with your phonics, listen carefully. Once you're done with your phonics, you're going to go into Seesaw and do an activity with your short O. All right, there's also one from last week, which I didn't tell you about, so it's fine that you didn't do it. There's a short A where you can read the words and match the pictures. Amonte completed that one on Monday. I guess he felt like coming to school and doing some work yesterday. Great job. So there's going to be some activities in there that you can complete. I do want to say, I'm going to let everybody know there are 7 people who finished their iReady reading. So if you didn't finish it today, you have to log on and get it done this afternoon. So these 7 people already had it done. So great job, Allison, Taylor, Kelton, Carter, Vedhir, Clara, and Caden. Awesome job. You guys all finished your iReady reading, so you don't have to work on that this afternoon. But if I didn't say your name, that means you still have to log in to iReady and complete your reading diagnostic. All right, so if you have questions, you can stay on here and ask me. If you guys know what you're doing on our Tuesday morning, go ahead and log into that reading course. Get your phonics done and try your Seesaw. And when we come back, we're going to do a fun activity with our vowel sticks. So remember those 5 vowel sticks we have in that baggie? We're going to need those for our live meeting at 9:45. So in 1 hour, we're going to come back after you guys finish your phonics, reading, and your seesaw. Okay?